That's you get what you get and you don't throw a fit here. If you don't like what you see here, click the flip away. I don't need to hear about it.
I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today's video, we are unboxing my paid for FabFitFun box for fall 2025. I was pretty impressed with a lot of the products they had to offer that I went ahead and I signed up for the annual subscription. I will tell you all that I did customize this box in its entirety based off of gifts that I wanted to give for the holidays, which is kind of why I signed up for FabFitFun, because, well, we'll talk all about that in a hot doggone minute. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Yes, I customized it. Yes, I picked everything. And you know me, I made the picks when it opened, August 5th. It is the 21st. It's been sitting here for a couple days. I done forgot half the stuff, but I do know that I picked it out for gifts. A little information on FabFitFun if you are new to it. This is not a monthly subscription. This is actually a quarterly subscription. This is not a sponsored video either. Here's the deal. I was a little confused at first. The first item that I am seeing in here, because I paid for the annual subscription, I do believe I'm going to have some extra goodies in here because you got a $200 bonus gift if you signed up for the annual, and I'm freaking in love with this. I don't even know if I'm making sense when I speak, but hey, you know what? That's you get what you get and you don't throw a fit here. If you don't like what you see here, click the flip away. I don't need to hear about it. Ain't nobody need to hear about it in the comment section, okay? You don't like my blush, you don't like my bronzer, you don't like my face, you don't like my voice, bye-bye. We have this like neoprene feeling bag, which I absolutely love. And now I'm currently using the bag that I got from FabFitFun. Actually, the one I got this past summer, I travel with it all the time when we're going down to the lake. This is going to be another one that would be great for the lake for the simple reason you can tell it's the type of material that it doesn't feel like it would hold water. Like if it's raining out or something, it's not going to get wet. This would be the perfect pool bag. I love the red and the pink. This was definitely one of the additional $200 gift items. I like that it does have a little magnetic snap, and it does have a pocket in here too. Next in here, I'm going to say this is also part of the $200 gift. We're not into my picks yet. This is the pineapple shaped ice mold, and I already know my kids are going to love this, especially my youngest. Oh, this is cool. This is another gift. It's a vegetable chopper. So you're going to see like a different array of things. If you are looking for makeup heavy things, you can definitely customize this box for makeup and beauty, but they also offer like fitness, wellness, lifestyle, which I like that variety, not just all about makeup and skincare. You know, you have the good mix of stuff with FabFitFun. And this was part of the freebie that I got. And honestly, I think I will actually use this as a gift. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is another part of the gift. This is by Glass House Fragrances. Oh, this is gonna look really pretty. Maybe I'll put it on the shelf. Oh, this is fancy. Okay, this is cool. So this is the base of it. And then you take these fragrance sticks and you pop it in like the little pencil holes. This would make a great gift for someone who just bought their house. Also, I think it would look really cute and smell nice in here. I have to see. I have a cat, so I got to make sure that this would be safe to use around her. This is in the scent Sea Mist and Camellia and Lotus. I'm sure it's probably fine. I don't know. I took out my plugins. I had like wallflowers for a while there, and I got rid of those when we adopted her. And as far as candles, my candles I'm safe with because I use Martha from The Good Candle. Her candles, you probably always see them in my background. I use her candles and they're non-toxic and they're safe for her. Listen, my kitty cat, she rules the house now. This is her house and we're just lucky to be here. Okay, so I think we're finally getting into some of my picks. Actually, no, we're not. They also included as my free $200 gift the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. That's awesome. Now I think we're good to go. Got a mascara as another freebie. This is a lot of freebie stuff. Going through it, once again, we got a Tarte Man-Eater mascara, which this is actually one of my favorite Tarte mascaras. We got the vegetable chopper. We got the little ice tray, silicone ice tray. We've got the Glass House fancy bougie little fragrance thing. And then we've got the Oiloplex clarifying shampoo. Okay, that alone is like a box in all itself. Let's get into what I picked. The first item I picked, which had me shocked because I don't even recall this being something that I told you guys was a sneak peek, and it's this really nice robe. Okay, I know I said I got gifts, and I did, but this is maybe like a gift to myself. I mean, I bought the box, I can do what I want. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is the kind of robe that you see at like a spa. It's nice and it's on the lightweight side. It's this really pretty oatmeal, kind of like a jersey feeling type of fabric. Really nice. Oh, this could be a really nice gift too, guys. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and it did come with the little tie. At first I was like, the brand, I don't even know the brand. Line and Dot. I think that may have been the first item I picked out. All right, next in here, this is going to look really familiar, and I'm going to show you mine. This I actually picked out for my mom, and this is by Nia. And it is this beautiful sweater. Let me go grab it. This is the Nia sweater, and I did get this in a small medium, and the quality of this sweater, you all, is so nice. It does have wool in it, but it's not the kind of like crunchy, uncomfortable, itchy wool whatsoever. It's just really nice and really soft, great quality. I love it. I also keep it down here a lot. Oh, okay, well, go ahead, girl. This is what we're doing. Mayim, I'm not done filming. She loves the FabFitFun boxes. Like these are definitely her jam. You like that? Okay, well, I can't pull it back out, but I did get the one for my mom because she's always cold, and I thought she would absolutely love that. So that's going to be one of her Christmas gifts. Here, let me just work around you. All right, so the next item, you are a doll face. The next item I picked out, this is one that I already have, and I love it, and I have it in gold. My mom wears gold too, so I went ahead and got her one as a gift, and I thought this would be so pretty. This is such a beautiful, nice, dainty necklace, and I absolutely love it. It's nice and comfortable. It does have, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like the adjustable chain in the back too, so you can make it longer, you can make it a little shorter. It's just real nice. It's comfortable. I've worn it in the shower, I've worn it at the lake, and I've not had any issues with it. I mean, I don't do that on the regular, but it's just a really nice little dainty piece of jewelry, and I thought my mom would really like that. Next in here, I picked up the Darling silicone trivets, and I love these. This is in a set of 3, and I don't know about you all, but one, I love the neutral colors. I love that they're silicone, and there's nothing worse than you pull a tray out or whatever and it's hot and you need to put it down and you don't have something. That's me. I don't know what I do with half of my stuff. So we are always using towels, which isn't the smartest thing to use when you pull something out of the oven. So I got these little trivets, and I felt like, you know, for the holidays or whatever, when you're doing a ton of baking, these are going to be perfect. Plus they're really cute. And they would make really good gift. Like, this would be a cute little gift too for like a housewarming party. Pair this with the little smelly good. Bam, you got yourself the perfect little gift. And the website, well, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm getting ahead. I don't want to jump off track. Ma'am, I need back in here. Here, you just lay there. Okay, you do your thing. There's a Pilates studio that's going to be opening up by my house, and there's one that's about 30 minutes away, and my youngest had gone to it with a friend, and they loved the Pilates studio. And so when my kiddo came home, we were talking about it, and we had decided that we might do Pilates classes together, because I won't do it alone, and my kiddo doesn't want to do it alone either. So I got these little grippy Pilates socks that they have, the Splits 59 Los Angeles Pilates grip socks. So I went ahead and picked them up, prepping, because I know that when you do the reformer and all that, you have to have little socks, the grippy socks, and these are really nice. These are like nice heavy duty ones. So I went ahead and picked these up for when we go ahead and do our Pilates class. You know what I'm worried about? Have you ever watched Jackass, that movie or that TV show? Okay, well, he was like in a yoga class, and I'm not a gassy person, but it would be my luck. That would be the day I would be like crazy gassy or something. And you're on a reformer and you're doing all these crazy stretches and all this stuff, and I'm scared to death. Like, everybody farts. I just don't like to do that in public. Like, I do it secretly. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, oh, that would be really embarrassing. But I could bring this with me. This is the new Magnesium Ease. It's a magnesium and lavender sleep support body spray. I love me magnesium sprays. I actually, every night when I go to bed, I spray it on the bottoms of my feet. It's supposed to help like regulate your blood sugars and your calmness and get zen. So I should probably put some of this on my feet, stick my Pilates socks on, and then go get on a reformer and hope that all's good in the hood. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I picked this out. I figured I already used magnesium spray, so why not get extra? And then the last thing that I picked up, I got the Rare Beauty Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. I'm a huge fragrance junkie. I love for my perfumes and my hair mist to match. You can ask my bestie all about it. Like, I am all about like hair misters, everything, but I don't want my hair mist to not match my perfume. So I have a ton of different hair fragrances to go with my perfumes. So if I'm feeling yummy and delicious scents, then I have like a yummy cupcake scent. If I want more of like a floral, I have those kind of scents. I'm very extra and I'm okay with that. I got this Rare Beauty one. Oh, that smells good. Put that right over my vanilla. That made no sense. Oh well. This smells really nice and clean and fresh. Almost kind of unisexy too. Like, if you know what it reminds me of is the Glossier, that perfume. Yeah, I feel like that would complement the Glossier perfume so well. I definitely feel like those two together, that would be a good scent. It's really nice and it's really clean. I like it. I like it a lot. It's different than what I typically gravitate towards. That is everything. Okay, oh my god, you were the best kitty cat ever. So that is everything in my fall Fab Fit Fun, and those are some of the extras that you will see if you went ahead and signed up for the year-long subscription with Fab Fit Fun, which I honestly think was a heck of a deal. I love the fact that I didn't get crappy products, you know, like everything that I got as my $200 gift bonus are definitely things that we will most definitely use in this house. Standout product, obviously a lot were for gifts. I'm gonna say this robe. If you're on the fence with FabFitFun, I do have coupons with them. I'll leave them in the description box for you guys and a link. They're not affiliate codes or anything like that. It just more or less lets FabFitFun know that I suggested it or something. I don't know. So that'll be in my description box. Hot Mess will save you 10% off your first box. Hot Mess Gift is when you sign up for the annual and you go ahead and pay up front. And then you get the $200 bonus of gifts, which I'm really excited about because I was kind of like on the fence. I didn't know what kind of gifts that they offered for that $200. And like I said, I'm really happy with everything. And think about it. A housewarming gift, you could easily take these items in the box. We've got the little home fragrance set, the trivets, this little doodad, veggie chopper. Like, how cute would that be as a nice little gift? I think FabFitFun personally, for me, I love because I get the variety of lifestyle, wellness, fitness, beauty if I want it, what have you. That's what I love. And I was playing around today and I saw that FabFitFun actually has an eye-up. The deals that they had, really excited. So you can do additional shopping and save even more money on the products that they offer in their shop. So like, for example, I saw the Elemis moisturizer was in there for $17 and change. And I was like, oh, okay. They had the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner, both of them for under $20. So I was just like, uh-oh, we got a new hyperfixation. Anyways, let me know, have you already received your FabFitFun boxes? What did you pick out? Did you pick out similar things? Did you sign up and get the free $200 gift? Was your gifts different than mine? Because like I said, I hadn't seen what these additional gifts were. Anyways, I was chatting a lot. I'm gonna hop off for now. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and if you're not, I hope your day gets better, but please don't take it out on me in my comment section, okay? Anyways, hopping off. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
With you I feel like breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.